In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ClickUp Workload view. Whether you're managing a team or simply organizing your work, the Workload view is a fantastic tool to ensure that tasks are distributed efficiently and deadlines are met. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to ClickUp. It's the platform we'll be using today to set up our workload management feature. Make sure you log in with your credentials so you can access all the amazing features ClickUp has to offer. If you're not familiar with ClickUp, it's a versatile project management tool designed to streamline workflow and enhance productivity. It's like a digital command center for all your projects. Once you've successfully logged into ClickUp, the next step is to select the space where you want this workload view to be applied. ClickUp operates with spaces as a key structural element, allowing you to group similar projects and tasks. Think of spaces as individual offices or departments within your overall organization. Choose the space that corresponds to the team or project you want to monitor. This will ensure that the workload metrics accurately reflect the tasks relevant to that particular group. Now that you've picked the right space, look for the plus view option at the top. This is your gateway to customizing how you view and interpret your team's workload. By clicking here, you're opening up a menu of various view options. You have a plethora of ways to visualize tasks, whether it's through lists, boards, calendars, or timelines. But for today's goal, we're focusing on adding the workload view, which provides a visual representation of resource allocation and task distribution across your team members. After clicking on plus view, you should see an option called workload. Go ahead and click on that next. Adding this view is a powerful way to get insights into who's doing what and where new tasks can fit within their schedules. With the workload view activated, you can instantly see if someone is over-allocated or if there are gaps where additional tasks can be assigned. This encourages a balanced distribution of work and helps prevent burnout by ensuring everyone's workloads are manageable. And there you have it. You've successfully added a ClickUp workload view to your space. This feature will become a crucial part of managing your team's productivity and ensuring that everyone stays on track. You can now make informed decisions about resource allocation based on actual data, creating a more efficient and harmonious working environment. Feel free to explore other settings within the workload view to tailor it to your specific needs. The clearer picture you have of ongoing tasks and responsibilities, the better prepared you'll be to lead your team to success. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!